Hey there, Devin here with Patriot Awning. Today, we're going to talk about something that's commonly overlooked in the awning industry, okay? That is the thread that's used to sew our awnings. So, give you a little bit of background. In 2007, 2008, somewhere in there, Sunbrella started offering a 10-year warranty on their awning fabrics. So this meant that, people were already getting about 10 years out of the fabrics anyway on an awning application. But here's what happened. It's interesting because most awning companies were using 138 bonded polyester thread to sew their awnings with, okay? Some awning companies offered Gore-Tenara or a similar PTFE thread. We can use it. It's an upsell. It's $40, it's $100, it's $500, whatever the price was to use this magic thread. The thing that makes this special is polyester, 5 years in the sun, rots, okay? It'll rot. And then you're looking for somebody to re-sew your entire awning. Gore-Tenara, it's a lifetime warranty. This is a PTFE thread, and it won't rot in the sun. It won't fade. It is unaffected by sunlight. It is unaffected by bleach. This is a much better thread. $40, $100. It costs a lot more. It's a pain to run through the machines. You've got to sew slower with it. You've got to set the machine up to run the thread and adjust the tension. But when we started Patriot Awning, I was like, do I do the same thing and upsell the thread? Do we use polyester, but you could buy the magic thread? No. No, using the best should be an expectation and not an option. Using the best materials shouldn't cost more. Not when it comes to thread. Some fabrics, yeah, it's going to cost more to use certain fabrics than others, but that's how we built this business. And they did a test on the Gore-Tenara polyester, Arizona desert, worst possible condition. Over a 3-year period, the tensile strength in the Tenara remained unchanged. The first year of the polyester, Arizona desert, loses 60% of its tensile strength. By the third year, it's down to 15% of what it was when you first sewed it. Both of these roughly have about the same break strength when we install a cover. But I'm going to take you outside. I'm going to show you what happens with polyester thread. Could be 3 years, could be 5 years, it could be 8 years, but this always happens when you've got a cover that's exposed all the time in the sun and the rain and all of the crazy weather that we get. So let's go check it out. Okay, out here in the shop, I'm going to show you what happens over a period of time with polyester thread. Let's check it out. So this is sewn with polyester thread. Now this cover is several years old. You can see how dirty it is. This has been out in the sun and weather for quite some time. And you can see I'm just pulling it apart with my hand. This is a different stitch. This is a chain stitch. It's one of those stitches that just unravels. We use a lock stitch machine, so that doesn't happen. But this is what happens with polyester in the sun. I want to thank everybody for checking out our YouTube channel. If you haven't given us a like or a thumbs up, please do so. Thanks for checking out our videos. Have yourself a great day.